Hello, welcome. So I am facing one error in Migo while doing a cross company stock transfer without delivery, that is movement type 351. So here I am doing goods issue against purchase order for stock transfer order using 351 movement type, and I'm getting error about cost center related error. So let's check what error I'm getting. So whenever I'm trying to save or post, I'm getting error. Sorry, not cost center, GL account related error. That is GL account, this number and this GL account is not consistent. So how to resolve this error? We will see detail about this error first. So this error message is GL account, company code and GL account number not consistent, and message number is F5672. And what it says, the GL, this line item carries F posting line identification. The master record for GL account this in company code this must have the balance only in local currency indicator. So it is showing me error and it is also giving me the solution here. So how to resolve this error? So to resolve this error, we have to go into the GL account, this GL account screen, that is FS00. Then open this GL account. So this is the GL account. So I will open it. Then if you go in control data, you will see this balance in local currency only. So this is what this indicating. So the this line item carries app posting line identification, and the master record for GL in company must have uh, balance only in local currency indicator if the F identifier is set. So we have to take this balance only in local currency indicator. But see, this is just in case you are testing some scenario in test system and you are facing this error, then you can resolve this with this. But if in a real-time scenario, if this error is approaching, you just reach out to the finance team. They are the right one to resolve this error. So after just taking this, save this. And now if I go again in Migo and I try to post this document again, I will not get the same error. So let's see. So now I'm getting some different error, but this original error is resolved by modifying this GL account one tick for local currency balances. So this is how we resolve the error F55. Sorry, not this. So different error that we saw in last screen. So this is how we resolve. So thanks for watching.